Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning into this video. Today I will be reviewing this kind of a kinky curly headband wig from Asteria Hair. So thanks so much to Asteria Hair for sending me this wig. But yeah, if you guys are interested in checking out their company or checking out this wig, I will have all of the links in the description box below. So please enjoy. So as you guys can see, although this hair is a kinky curly texture, it is still very easy to brush through. And this is straight out of the pack. I just sprayed water onto this wig. So as you can see, this wig has the little clamp type of clips all around the top, like the top perimeter of the wig. So this wig is very secure. It's not going to move at all once you put those in. So I always start my wigs from the back, but and with just a low ponytail, but definitely do whatever is easiest for you. You can also use a wig cap if you'd like. But I see here I didn't start from the back, so I think I just clipped, since they were the little clamp clips, which are really sturdy. I put those in first, and then I snapped the headband part in the back. So like I said before, this wig is not going anywhere. You do not have to worry about this getting like sliding back, moving, shifting around. Those clamp type of clips stay in place all day. So now I'm just going to try out a few of the headbands that did come with this wig, since they sent a lot of stuff in the box, a lot of nice stuff, which is awesome. But yeah, I'm just going to try out this wig, a few of the headbands that they sent. Okay guys, so that is it for this review. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Asteria here for providing this wig to me. If you guys are interested, again, all of the links are in the description box for you to purchase this wig or check out the company. Once again, thank you so much for watching.